Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to initiate calls from WhatsApp web to your phone so you can stay connected without confusion. First, you should know that WhatsApp web on your browser does not support voice or video calls. That means you can only chat there, but don't worry, there's an easy solution. Next, download the WhatsApp desktop app from the official WhatsApp website. Once it's installed, open the app and you'll see a QR code on your screen. Now, open WhatsApp on your phone, go to Settings, and select Linked Devices. Use the option to scan the QR code shown on your computer. This links your desktop app with your phone. Once it's linked, open any chat in the desktop app. At the top of the chat window, you'll see a phone icon for voice calls and a video camera icon for video calls. Click the one you want and the call will start. Finally, remember that your phone must stay connected to the internet because the desktop app syncs with it to make calls work. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily make WhatsApp calls right from your computer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video. See